The Phoenix Suns host the New York Knicks, and it was chippy from start to finish. It all started on this drive from Derrick Rose. Bledsoe thinks that's a block. Tyson Chandler doesn't like that call either. Now in transition, it's getting scrappy. Porzingis trips over Bledsoe, then Chris throws down Porzingis. The refs have to get involved. This was a heated game. In the fourth quarter, Porzingis is mad now. Crossover move on Chris, pulls up in his face. And he's not done yet. In transition, popping a quick three from way downtown to give the Knicks a 4-point lead. But the Suns would not go away. They are at home. They have the home court advantage. A nice layup from Bledsoe. Bledsoe had 31 points. Porzingis had 34 points. This play was supposed to be for Melo, but they go to Porzingis instead. He's going to pull up on Chris again. Misses. That could have given them the game. We head to overtime. Bledsoe's going to split the double on the pick and roll. A crazy acrobatic left-handed layup to take the lead. The Knicks are going to Melo to win it all in overtime. Tyson Chandler, what a contest. Air ball, no time left. The Suns prevail. 111-113.
Stay back!
Oh God, please don't.
Harvey, no more.
No more. I'm just getting started. This is the only way to keep people in line. Otherwise, they walk all over you.
Harvey, no! This is not who you are!
You once